Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Zapier in 2025 step by step. Even if you have never used automation before, let's make your life easier with smart workflows. Zapier connects your favorite apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, Notion, and lets them talk to each other automatically using something called Zaps. So now head to zapier.com, sign up if you haven't already an account, or log in with your existing credentials like email, then click continue. After logging in, you will land on your dashboard. Here you can search for apps, view your jobs, create new automations. Let's make one together. Click jobs section for create a new job. Then on the trigger section, choose Gmail. Trigger trigger event new Gmail. Like that. Connect your Gmail account and sign in like that. Now click continue. Now go to your Gmail dashboard box, then give access for Zapier. Now action button, choose Google Sheet. Again, create a spreadsheet draw. Connect your sheet account and click continue. Select spreadsheet and map email fields like subject, sender, etc. Now test the job. If it works, hit publish job. Here are some useful jobs like social media, post on Facebook when a blog goes live, forms, send a Slack message when someone fills out a type form, e-commerce, add new Shopify orders to a Notion database, content creators, auto upload YouTube links to Airtable. Now, don't want to build from scratch? Use Jab templates. Just click on template section. The popular templates like save new Gmail emails matching certain traits to a Google spreadsheet, save new Gmail attachments to Google Drive, add new Facebook lead ads. Choose one from here like that. Click try it and connect your apps and customize. It's fast and beginner friendly. You can pause, rename, and organize jobs by folders. Keep your dashboard clean especially if you are running automations for clients or teams. Zapier has a free plan with 100 tasks per month, but if you need multi-step jobs or filters, you might want to starter or professional plan. Now, in your left-hand sidebar, you can see linked sheet, linked assets, then job details. First of all, go to your home tab, then discover this, then jobs. You can customize again, click one and customize the jobs. Uh, Tables, in the tables section, you can add new data like Google Sheets, Airtable, Microsoft Excel, then interfaces tab. Here you can create form, table, Kanban. Click on form tab and customize the tables. Edit the label like email, then and that's it. And that's how you use Zapier as a beginner in 2025. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what app combo you want to automate next. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.